Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to be making shakshuka, which is poached eggs in tomato sauce. This is a Mediterranean dish. It is super delicious, super healthy. These are the ingredients. And we start off by adding a little bit of oil to a hot pan. We add our onions and we let that cook for about 30 seconds or so. We add our garlic, we give it a little stir, and then we're ready to add all of our seasoning. We add our bell peppers, and then we're ready to also add the 1 can of diced tomato. You can also add fresh tomato, but in my case, I thought it was just easier and it's faster to just add the diced tomato can. And we give our dish a little stir just to combine all of our ingredients together. This smells delicious, guys. I also like to add a chopped jalapeno to my dish. This is optional. If you do not like spicy food, don't add it. This is already spicy with the cumin, okay? I also like to add cilantro to my dish. If you don't have cilantro, you can add kale or you can add fresh bay leaves. We give this another little stir just to combine everything together. And I just add a little bit of water. I don't want this to dry completely while it's cooking. And then I just cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. After our 10 minutes are done, we give it another little stir and then we start just making little openings. And then we start adding our eggs, just like I'm showing you right here, okay? I only added 3 eggs to my dish. You can always double up on this recipe if you like, or you can just add 4 eggs or 5 eggs if you like. After placing all the eggs in here, we just cover this and we cook for 5 minutes, depending on how runny you like your eggs, okay? I like mine running, that's why I just leave them 5 minutes. If you like them a little bit more hard, just leave them 8 to 10 minutes. I then just add a little bit of salt and pepper. I also like to add fresh cilantro to my dish. And we are done, guys. Our shakshuka is ready to enjoy. This is super easy, super healthy, nutritious. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and comment below. Enjoy, guys. Bye.